Hi, I'm Taylor Hagler. Hyundai's IONIQ N models bring electrified performance to the road and track. And as part of the experience, you can adjust many of the performance settings of your IONIQ N. Before changing settings, be certain to go through the complete N tutorial in your vehicle by selecting N mode, then the menu icon, and then tutorial. The N menus give you the ability to configure drive and performance options, as well as view real-time information about your vehicle. To access them, select N mode. Here you'll have access to 2 pages of information and menus. On the first page, you'll find N track and N battery features. You can find links to videos that cover the use of all these features in the description of this video. To the right, you'll find 4 large areas with information, settings, or menu selections, such as in-track selection, lap timers, and pedal percentages. These can be configured by pressing and holding any of the sections and then dragging a new selection into that section. On the second page, you'll see the Setup section for the Custom 1 and Custom 2 modes. See the N and Custom Modes video for information on this. On the right side, you'll find the Performance Options menu selector as well as the activation panel for N Launch Control. See the N Launch Control video for information on this feature. The right side of the screen also has a changeable panel that can show vehicle information on speed, pedal usage, and G-force. This can be changed like the first page by pressing and holding the section and then dragging a new selection in. For more information on the features of your IONIQ N, be sure to consult your owner's manual available at My Hyundai or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to watch all the IONIQ N videos on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai. You're going to want to know everything about these special vehicles. They're a lot of fun.